Hey, what is going on, guys? Sean here, living the corporate pilot life. I am in Colorado right now, Glenwood Springs to be exact. We flew into the Eagle Vail Valley, I don't know what it is, airport yesterday. Beautiful flight in here yesterday, not a cloud in the sky. It was cold. It was like just below 0 Fahrenheit, like minus 20 Celsius or something like that. Dumped snow on us last night, like 6 inches. And then today it warmed up. We're up in the mid 40s right now, so a lot of the snow is already melting off. So I'm out and about. A little bit breezy out here, but all in all, pretty nice day. I'm out here on the Colorado River. There's a little state park out here to go walk around. So I think we're gonna get some more snow tonight, and then tomorrow should get a little bit better. But anyway, I figured I'd share the video with you guys coming into here. It was, like I said, stunning flight coming in. Had my boy Richard with us, one of our really experienced captains. He does a great job as always. So yeah. Let you guys check that out. If you guys didn't see the video I posted about a week ago, it was my first landing in the Global. I'll put a link to that video in the description below. Let you guys see that one if you missed it. But be sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, leave me some comments, let me know what you guys think of this whole thing, and we will catch you guys later. Keep living the corporate pilot life. See ya.
Cross abs that maintains flight level 280.
All right, cross abs at a maintained flight level 280.
SC-28, got 4 minutes to get there, so
Red.
head on down. I don't know, it went red on your side again?
Yeah, it does it every time we make
that.
an altitude change.
Kind of weird.
But yeah, I've kind of been using a little more trim on the landings.
Oh, Denver,
I do the same.
512 Bravo Hotels at a 17.4 up to 230.
Kind of like down that way.
512 Bravo Hotel.
I don't see where it is. I'm not
Spencer,
sure. I just
Roger, and climb and
feel it,
maintain
but yeah,
flight level
I do use a
330.
little nose up trim.
I climb 330 Bravo Hotel.
I'm getting down there.
Denver Center, good morning, Scout 5071, flight level 180, climbing 230, direct X-TAM. We got smooth rides so far, is that going to continue?
Scout 5071, yeah, the rides are good. Turn 10 degrees right, climb to 310, and advise, ready to copy clearance.
Turn 10 right up to flight level 330, and we'll let you know, Scout 5071.
5071, maintain 310.
310, Scout 5071. Now we're ready to copy.
Scout 5071, clear to Kilo Delta 54 Yankee, direct destination.
All right, clear direct Kilo Delta 54 Yankee, direct Dodge City Airport, Scout 5071.
Where's Dodge City?
Dodge City?
Dodge City. Oh,
Yeah.
Dodge City.
Yeah.
Okay. Thought he said Dot City for a second.
Yeah. These country folk out here, man.
Good timing, because I'm getting hungry.
You and me both, man.
That was an early start.
Yep. We'll get down there, get this thing turned, make sure they're set, and yeah, we'll go get some food.
And Center United, 2679 is through 12.5, climbing 230. Fairly smooth in the climb out.
United 2679, Denver Center, you're cleared direct Pawnee City, climb maintain flight level 310.
Roger, up to 310 and direct Pawnee City, United 2679.
There's 290.
November contact, Denver Center 132.85.
3285.
I just want to go.
Want to go. Hey Center, good morning. 28.7 descending 280.
Denver Center, descend and maintain flight level 270.
Descend and maintain flight level 270.
I see 27.
27 in the red.
Every time I look over, it's gone. I never see it.
Well, do it right when I change it. Look over.
Yeah?
Yeah. Want to go. Next time we get an altitude
27.
change,
yeah,
take a
I'll
look.
watch right when you're doing it. But it's only doing it for a second, and then it goes
Couple
on.
seconds, like 3 or 4 flashes, and then it'll go back to blue.
135.12.
It's weird.
Yeah.
3512 Southwest 12.
Supposed to mean that you can't accept it, but that's...
United
Yeah,
1077,
it's clearly-
contact Denver 128.32.
I think it's just
computer's
2832, United
thinking a little bit too hard about it.
Center Southwest 8502, 24.1 for 260.
Southwest 8502, Denver Center, climb maintain flight level 360.
I maintain flight level 360, Southwest 8502.
Denver 133,
It's pretty
contact
calm here.
Denver
Hopefully it'll be decent
135.12.
smooth going across. I'll keep the speed up a little bit. If it's choppy, I'll pull it
Good day.
back.
That's fine with me.
See what happens.
Doesn't look too busy traffic-wise
No,
this morning.
I think, like you said, we're early, man. We're pre-rush, I think, today.
Center United 2309-224, climb at 260.
United 2309, Denver, climb maintain flight level 360.
Climb maintain flight level 360, United 2309.
United 646, contact Denver 135.12.
3512, United 646 today.
Delta 750, contact Denver 135.12.
135.12, Delta 750, good day.
Good day.
Contact Denver Center 128.65, have a good one.
12865, good day. Center, good morning, flight level 270.
Skywest 5207, contact Denver Center 134.5.
134.5, Skywest 5207.
Alright, now they're going to have to keep us...
Denver Center, descend and maintain flight level 240.
Descend and maintain flight level 240. Alright, take a look.
Denver, good morning, Pilot 6, your Papa Charlie, Papa X-ray, VG 190.
Hey, you're right.
Only on my side though.
Papa X-ray, Denver Center, roger.
Doesn't bounce your side over.
Yeah, you're right. As soon as I hit it to stop flashing, it goes away. I see 240, we're coming down.
Yeah.
Sun Country 8015, contact Denver Center 132.85, have a good day. 3285, Sun Country 8015, good day. Clear direct to Vawaxa.
Direct to Vawaxa.
Reach 670 Tango, climb and maintain flight level 260, stay altitude leaving.
Climb and maintain 260, checking in, passing 17,000 for reach 670 Tango.
Thank you. 209, climb maintain flight level 210. 210, yelling 209.
50 descending 24.
Climb 185 for 230. 30. Skywest, Frontier 553, Denver Center, climb and maintain flight level 260. 260, Frontier 553. Teton 499, Denver Center, radar contact 2 miles south of the Snow VOR, higher in a few minutes. Teton 499, roger, thanks.
I'm off for 1 sec.
I got the comms.
Denver Center, Silver Speed 302 is level 270. Alright, down to 240, we're still just a little out of range, but we'll let you know. Frontier 553, contact Denver Center 132.85, have a good day.
Alright, we're in line for fuel.
3285,
Alright.
Frontier 553. Reach 670 Tango, contact Denver Center 132.85, have a good day.
3285, reach 670 Tango, good day.
So descend and maintain 16,000, Eagle altimeter is 3066.
Descend and maintain 16,000, 3066.
That's some high pressure.
3837, Denver Center, climb and maintain flight level 260, stay altitude leaving. Climb and maintain flight level 260,
coming
leaving.
down.
Alright.
Flight level
66 there.
Charlie, Papa X-ray after Jesse, clear direct quandary.
After Jesse, direct quandary for Charlie Papa X-ray.
Skywest 5837, contact Denver Center 132.85, have a good day. 13285, have a good day as well, Skywest 5837.
Oh man, do I see a lot of white.
Yep. Negative 20 Celsius down there.
Good lord, that's a lot of snow.
A lot of cold.
Teton 499, climb and maintain flight level 260, no delay through flight level 200. Up to 260, no delay through 200, Teton 499. Teton 499, turn left, heading of 280, and I'll have Rock Springs here shortly. All right, left turn to 280, Teton 499.
We got the approach checks all done.
Dual tool steering
It's clear,
and fuel looks balanced.
efficient and balanced.
Just got to get your speeds.
All right.
Links 209, climb and maintain flight level 260.
Weather's still minus 20 Celsius, winds calm.
Links 209, clear direct Black Forest.
Yeah, White Forest, Links 209. Can you spell what Black Forest like Links 209?
Links 209, Bravo Romeo Kilo.
Thank you, Links 209.
Teton 499, clear direct Rock Springs VOR.
Direct Rock Springs, Teton 499.
All right, 125 and 115 for your approach speeds.
I like it.
And winds are still calm.
Yep.
All right, 3066 3 times, speeds are posted. I saw you clear the nose wheel, fuel is balanced, sufficient. Questions on the brief? We know what we're doing.
Yep, we've already briefed it. Looks good. Should be nice and clear over there. LDA to back it up.
Speed 302, descend and maintain 16,000, fly heading of 255, the Eagle altimeter 3066.
All right, down to 16,000 and 255 on the heading, silver speed 302.
17, descending
Charlie
16.
Papa X-ray, clear direct Quandary at this time. Direct Quandary for Charlie Papa X-ray.
Got a ghost needle up. It's a good thing.
Yeah, you can almost pick up the
I was
airport
going to
down
say,
there in the valley.
it's straight out there. I see the valley. I don't quite see the runway yet. We'll get it here in a minute.
And Denver, silver speed 302 does have Lima.
Silver speed 302, roger.
Boax at or above 13.8.
Yep.
Oil at above 12.9.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, APU is up and ready to load. Give it a minute.
All right, we'll let the speed come back, and we'll start getting configured here shortly.
Charlie Papa X-ray, cross Quandary at or above 14,000, cleared LDA runway 25.
Quandary at or above 14,000, cleared the LDA 25, Charlie Papa X-ray.
We're about to cross Voaxa.
Cross Voaxa at or above 14,000, cleared LDA 25.
Cross Boax at or above 14,000, cleared for the LDA runway 25.
Denver Center, hello, Delta 2281, flight level 190, climbing flight level 230.
Okay, there's Voaxa.
Flight level 260, 280 knots of radar, Delta 2281.
Over there.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, I think I...
Yeah.
Yeah, we're with you. Flight level 198, level 230.
Smooth ride so far.
Yep.
Level 260,
Selected and indicated.
280 knots, southwest 562.
Denver Center, Falcon 777, X-ray Yankee 200.
Go ahead with gear down.
November 7 X-ray Yankee, Denver Center, clear direct Kremling, advise information Lima at Eagle.
Direct Kremling, we'll get Lima, 7 X-ray.
Contact Eagle Tower, 119.8, have a good rest of your day.
19.8, you do the same.
Silver speed 302, reduced to 210.
We can keep coming down now. 12.9.
Cut.
Yep.
Eagle Tower, good morning. With you on the LDA runway 25.
Flaps 25.
Hawker, if you could tag good morning, report Washy.
Okay, report Washy.
557 Pop Kilo, yep.
7 Pop Kilo, go ahead.
Hey, so I just talked to Aspen. Initially they said they're not going to take any VFR at all. I told them that you're a local guy and you're familiar and you're just a quick turn. They said they can't guarantee you to get in there, but they can try to accommodate.
Outstanding, thanks for reaching out for us.
problem. So if you guys
Screen
want
overheat
to try and
coming
send
off.
it,
Okay, just kill it.
just let me know when you're ready to taxi. If not, just hang out there.
Alright, thanks. We're on the phone right now trying to talk to
Alright.
those guys over there.
Captured. Centered. Speed looks good. Oh, we got 3 green, pin pressure and centered over there.
I see it, looks good.
Alright.
Eagle Tower, staff 10, holding short, Alpha 1, requesting runway 25 for inspection.
Staff 10, Eagle Tower, proceeding runway 25, taxiway Alpha 1. I got traffic inbound 5 to the west, additional traffic inbound, about 14 miles to fly.
See, I'm good to go. Sorry, just hold it.
Yep, proceed on 25 at Alpha 1.
Staff 10 proceeding, full report went off.
If you wanted
Tower
to, you could
plotted
go
807
visual.
November Golf short of 25.
Yeah, I'm
ready
just
for
going to follow the glide
Okay.
slope down.
Alright.
I mean, we are
Flight 807 November Golf, Eagle Tower, hold short runway 25, vehicle on runway.
Alright, holding short 257 November Golf.
Glide slope's all over the place.
Lattice 807
Let's go
November
flaps
Golf,
full.
runway 25, winds calm, clear for takeoff,
4
traffic
landing
8 mile
checks.
Checks.
Runway 25, clear for takeoff,
selected.
807 November Golf.
You're in. Yep.
Clear 31 Tango Kilo, runway 25, taxi Alpha.
Hey Tower, we're over Washi for runway 25.
Staff 10 Alpha Alpha 4.
Staff 10 proceeding.
Clear runway 25, winds calm, clear to land, traffic rolling, Pilatus.
Okay, we got him in sight. Clear to land, runway 25.
Clear
Arch
to
23
land.
Alpha, extend downwind, number 2
Speed's
final
coming back
Hawker,
for
6
the
mile
rep
funnel.
of 10.
Extending downwind, understand number 2, 23 Alpha. Tower, good morning, Pilatus Victor, Papa Charlie, Papa X-rays with you on the LDA 25.
Pilatus Victor Papa Charlie Papa X-ray, Eagle Tower, welcome back, report Washi.
Hi, Washi, Charlie, Papa X-ray.
You want to leave the Jip Boys as is, or you want me to inhibit it so we don't get it?
Yeah, I don't mind.
Okay.
Listen to it, I suppose. Other than that little fog layer over there, I don't see a cloud in the sky, so
No, we're good.
won't keep us off the mountains.
Just a final
And
check.
Eagle Tower, Lear
3
31
green,
Tango Kilo,
see it.
should be
pin
ready to
pressure
go.
center, flaps
Clear
45.
31 Tango Kilo, Eagle Tower, hold short runway
Valves.
25, multiple routes.
Get him now.
Alright.
And Yachty him to go.
Yep, I'll get that here in a second.
Clear 1 Tango Kilo, hold short 25.
Report 25, 31 Tango Kilo.
Arch 23 Alpha traffic are following 2 o'clock, 2 miles, southwest bound Hawker.
Traffic in sight, 23 Alpha.
Arch 23 Alpha base, follow that traffic, runway 25, winds calm, clear to land, traffic are inside of 14 mile final Pilatus.
I'll follow them at 23 Alpha.
Pilatus 7 November Golf, frequency change crew leaving the Delta, Denver is 128.65 if you need it, see ya.
Alright, over to 2865, 7 November Golf, see ya.
Staff 10 Roger.
Traffic.
The guy that just took off, is that him?
Plus 100.
1,000.
Got him.
Yep. Okay.
Glide slope.
Yeah, you can kill the glide slope.
Glide slope.
At the Pappy.
Yep. No factor off our right wing.
Goddamn's away.
Landing checks complete.
$500. 400.
Eagle, Falcon 557 Pop Kilo just got off the horn with Aspen. They said we could go.
300.
Eagle Tower, Silver Speed 302, LDA 25.
200.
Clear speed 302.
100.
Want to report Washi inbound.
We'll report Washi inbound.
50.
Silver speed 302.
40.
557 Papa Kilo Tower, runway
30.
25, taxi for Alpha, confirm you have
20.
Lima, and I can't remember for the life of me, but I think you're
10.
7X, correct?
We are 7X. We do have Lima. We'd like to go Charlie to Alpha to 25 for 7 Papa Kilo to avoid this sea ice mass.
Okay,
7 Papa Kilo, go with me.
Thank you very much.
good jump.
And we'll hold short, runway 25 on Alpha.
6 lights.
Park play available, turn left Alpha 5, taxi to park via Alpha, Alpha 3, stay with me.
Okay, we'll make the next left Alpha 5 Alpha, stay with you to the park.
Charlie Papa X-ray is Washi inbound.
Charlie Papa X-ray, continue, cleared visual approach runway 25.
Cleared to visual 25, Charlie Papa X-ray.
Alpha 5 Alpha, stay with him to parking.
All right.
XLI 5250, go. XLA 5250, clear to Mike Alpha November via the Beaver 1 departure. Sprocket transition as filed.
Flaps up and
On departure, climb is descend, maintain 15,000. They expect a flight level 410, 10 minutes after. Departure frequency 128.65,
Alright, checklist.
squawk
Air brakes are shut, flaps are
2721,
up, exterior lights
standby
as
on the
required.
reback.
Heaters are off, any ice off. APR, I disarmed it. Transponder, we'll go to standby here in a second.
Alright.
Everything else is done?
Alrighty. Eagle Valley Jet Center up here, somewhere on the right.
Yeah, it's right in the middle.
Arch 2 and 23 Alpha, turn left X-ray Alpha 4, taxi to parking via Alpha Alpha 3, remain this frequency, no delay on the runway, traffic about a mile behind you.
Alpha Alpha 3 with you. 23 Alpha.
XLA 5250, you ready when you're? Service speed 302, start pulling it back.
Yeah, we're slowing now.
Looks like right spot.
Flex 530, get away to the Hawker and the Archer, both on Alpha, runway 25, taxi Alpha Lima start.
starting up.
Okay.
Keep an eye on that guy.
Yep.
Or be behind him. As long
Yep.
as he doesn't power up, we'll be alright. It's like the global. Oh no, they're spraying that one.
Cool. Can I kill these? You need them?
No, I don't need them. I usually leave them on if I'm doing a quick turn, but
Yeah, I do too, but since it's a crew swap.
okay.
Warren Eagle Tower,
Plenty of room over here.
777 X-ray inbound LDA 25.
Back at 777 X-ray, Yankee Eagle Tower, report Washi.
Fort Washi, 7 X-ray.
Charlie 530, give way to the Pilatus coming off the runway as well.
Oh, we look on the wing over
Charlie
there.
Papa X-ray,
You're
taxi
clear on
park
the
up.
right side.
Clear 1 Tango Kilo, runway 25, winds calm, clear for takeoff, traffic on 5 mile final challenger.
Clear.
5 clear for takeoff, Tango Kilo.
Service speed 302, runway 25, winds calm, clear to land traffic, rolling 25, layer 31.
What do you think that is?
Alright, 25 clear.
I don't know, I saw it when we were rolling out.
557 Papa Kilo,
Some sort of
runway
plans or
25,
something.
traffic arriving.
Yes, sir. We'll hold short 25 at
Go down
Alpha
there,
1,
kill
7
him.
Papa Kilo.